Amidst all this, of course, when the worst of the rains are over, people can step out because preparations underway for malls to reopen. Remember, this is part of Unlock Phase 3, and malls are now have been allowed to reopen and function. 70% of stores are open inside these malls. But the next time you visit malls in Mumbai, the experience, of course, is going to be drastically different. There are going to be not just baggage screening, you are going to be screened as well. Your thermal screening is going to take place. There is going to be much more sanitization, safety measures that have now come into play. Our correspondent Disha Shah with this report from one of the biggest malls in Mumbai.
Here, of course, we are at the Kurla's Phoenix Market City Mall, and we will show you that how, as a customer, as a citizen, how different it is going to be when you enter the mall. There are stickers that have been put up here maintaining social distance. So, for instance, here, of course, the customers are waiting to enter the mall. Security staff member over here is checking whether the person who's entering the mall has an Arogya Setu app or not, and that is what every person entering the mall has to do. And so now, as soon as you enter inside, the other thing, of course, here, what it shows is a thermal screening. They do not have those temperature checks, what we call it, but they have this thermal screening where a person has been asked to stand here. And then, of course, a person's temperature is being checked as we speak. There's a sanitizer booth as well. So let me also try, just sanitize my hand. Yes, so this is how it exactly works. Only here you can have your bags where it's called as a UV scanner for disinfecting your handbags. So this is the entire process. You just have to keep your bag over here, and then your bag will be sanitized as it is. There will be no, security personals over here who will be checking your, handbags physically or personally. Only this UV scanner does its work. As soon as you enter here, there's a sanitizer booth here as well that you can see. At every corner, at least the mall owners have ensured that there's a sanitizer booth. This is the second important step, of course, that we want to highlight. Initially, of course, it used to be that if we want to check that where the store is or where the restaurant is located, we used to just, usually click on these screens and we used to get our results. But right now, that is not going to be the scenario. It clearly says that you do not have to touch, but what you do is you just have, if you have a smartphone or any phone for that matter, you can, just scan this barcode, which directly takes you to the Phoenix Market City website. And then whichever store you want to look, you can just enter the store name here. And this is how you will be able to actually find the store that you want to visit. So obviously, absolute contactless is what we are talking about. And here, of course, depending on the size of the stores, here we are looking at another safety and precautions that have been added. For instance, here it's a Sunglass Hut store, which talks about that entry restricted to 5 customers. Here, of course, you can see that how entry is restricted to 5 customers. If you go ahead, this is a Vera Moda shop which is not open today, but what the mall owners say, it will be open in a couple of days. They have also mentioned saying entry restricted to 10 customers. So it all depends on actually the size of the store and how people can maintain social distancing. And this is exactly how, for Mumbaikars, the experience is going to change as soon as you enter the mall. With video journalist Ravi Shah, this is Disha Shah reporting here for Mirror Now from Mumbai.